Hi guys, Nate Seats here, and my dad, I wanted him to join, and today we are going to try these things that we found at Globus, and they look awesome. The first one is spicy Thai curry.
Spicy Thai curry.
Spicy Thai curry, I can't talk today.
What kind of meat?
Beef?
Chicken. That one's got chicken.
The second one is süßkartoffel tiki
Potato sauce.
Potato sauce tiki masala.
With pork, right?
With pork.
Very good. What looked good on that one? Why did you want that one?
The vegetables and the chicken with the sauce actually looked really good. And the last one is chow mein, which it looked good because the noodles and all that.
What kind of meat was in that one?
Beef, pork.
That's beef. That's steak.
Steak.
Chow mein with steak.
And a bunch of vegetables that looked great. And
Where did we get them?
at Globus. And I was like, I am so excited to try them. Here it is, right out of the microwave. This is the one we decided to eat first.
Which one is it?
It is the spicy Thai curry.
Very good.
The rice looks really good.
Yep, sure does. There it is, fresh
There
out
it
of the
is.
microwave.
Fresh out of the microwave.
What do you see in it?
I see like chunks of chicken, lima beans, and peppers, and rice.
Does it look tasty?
Yes, it does.
Smell good?
Mhm.
All right, give it a try. Do I get some?
Yes, of course.
Cool.
I'm gonna try this one first.
It's a big chunk of chicken.
That tasted really good. That tasted like the smoothest piece of chicken I ever tasted.
Yeah, right out of the
Yep.
microwave.
Straight out of the microwave.
Right, that's good. It's a very good piece of chicken.
That is hot.
Spicy hot or microwave hot?
Microwave hot, like it's smoking in my mouth.
I was gonna say, I taste the curry. It tastes very good, but I don't think it's very spicy.
Yeah, true.
It tastes very good though. You ready for the next one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This drink I'm drinking is called a shula. All you need is bubbly water and black Johannesburg juice. The next one we're trying is chow mein with beef, and it has like vegetables, and this is what it looks like in real life.
How do we cook it?
We cooked it and it's microwavable.
Yeah, it's real quick, huh?
Yep.
Get some of this good looking beans and peppers.
Ow. Those
Right.
are lima beans.
You're right. What else do you see?
Basically peppers and like this weird kind of potato looking thing.
What is a weird kind of potato looking thing?
It's right on the corner.
Oh yeah, that does look like diced potatoes.
Yup.
What do you think?
And that actually tastes like candy noodles.
Put it on the plate. Candied noodles, huh? Let's see. We had it at the restaurant, so let's see if this compares to the restaurant we went to.
Yeah, I hope it actually tastes like candy noodles.
That's pretty tasty. Did you like
Yeah.
this beef or the chicken one that we had, the Thai chicken better?
I liked the Thai. I actually kind of like both.
Well, which one did you like better?
basically the Thai.
Yeah, me too. I thought that chicken was better than the steak is.
Yeah.
It's good, but so far, if I had to recommend, well, if you had to recommend one, which one would it be?
I would recommend the Thai curry.
Thai curry? Yeah, me too. Any other thoughts?
Not really.
All
The
right.
last one we are trying is the süßkartoffel tiki masala, and
What does that mean in English, bud?
potatoes. I actually have no idea.
I think it's potato sauce, but I'm not sure on this.
Tiki,
What kind of meat?
pork.
Yeah.
Fine.
What else is on there? What do you see?
Vegetables like cucumber, peppers, and lima beans.
I bet you it's zucchini, not cucumber, but
Okay,
I understand the mistake.
And lima beans and really good looking pork and rice. And
That's how it comes out of the microwave.
Yep, and it looks delicious.
Getting some rice on yours.
Yeah? Why? You do it too.
I know. A little hot right out of the microwave. Try some of these veggies.
That tastes really good.
Yeah. So how many of these have we tried?
3.
Yeah. Which ones? What were they?
Curry, chow mein, and this one.
Yeah. Which was your favorite?
The curry.
You liked the Thai curry chicken?
Yeah, it did not really taste spicy.
No, it tasted really good. I thought very tasty, not hot. So what did you like about this one?
That it tastes exactly the same but spicy.
The same as what?
The curry.
So which one had the best meat?
That would be the curry.
Which one had the worst meat?
That would be the chow mein because that kind of tasted weird.
Yeah, that was kind of chewy, huh, out of the microwave.
Yeah.
Yeah, I agree with you. I thought the Thai curry was the best.
Yeah, the chow mein noodles tasted like candied noodles.
So should they go to Globus and try the Thai curry?
Mm-hmm.
Anything else you want to say?
I have no idea.
Out of practice, huh?
Yes. See you at my next video. Bye.
Okay, I will.